all about omega-3, the best sources and its health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acid, or more commonly known as omega-3, is a kind of fatty acid present in certain foods and in the human body. This important nutrient has been well studied particularly for its role in preventing heart diseases and stroke. As previously mentioned, you can get omega-3s from certain foods, and some of the best sources are cold water fatty fish such as tuna, mackerel, salmon, herring, and sardines. In fact, the American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish twice a week. They're also found in plant oils like canola, flaxseed, and soybean oils. In addition, omega-3s are sold as supplements in a variety of forms like fish oil, flaxseed oil, krill oil, and fish liver oil. Omega-3s are major components of cells throughout the body. They also support a wide range of functions in the cardiovascular, immune, pulmonary, and endocrine systems. Several studies have shown that a higher intake of fish and higher levels of omega-3s in the blood are associated with a decreased risk of heart diseases. And this is due to omega-3's ability to improve several risk factors for cardiovascular disease, like preventing the clogging of arteries and lowering blood pressure and triglycerides or fat. It also reduces inflammation and blood clotting. According to the U.S. National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, those who eat seafood 1 to 4 times weekly are less likely to die of heart disease. Moreover, in a 2019 study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, patients with elevated triglyceride levels improved their conditions by consuming 2 grams of an omega-3 supplement twice a day. Results also showed a significantly reduced rate of cardiovascular conditions, including stroke and certain heart diseases. Before we proceed, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative health videos, and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. Now let's talk about the best time to take supplements. Studies have shown that heart attacks and strokes typically happen in the morning due to the blood pressure being higher during the day. This is a factor that plays a huge part in increasing your risk of these fatal events. Moreover, during the day, the body has high levels of plasminogen activator inhibitor 1 or PAI1, which is a protein found in several types of cells in the body. Studies have shown that elevated levels of PAI1 are disruptive since it prevents blood clots from dissolving, leading to heart attack and stroke. Omega-3 is beneficial for this condition because it helps reduce the amount of PAI1 in the body. Plus, it helps prevent the accumulation of platelets, which are the cells involved in the formation of blood clots. Furthermore, the amount of cortisol, which is our body's primary stress hormone, is highest in the morning and lowest at night. Cortisol plays several important functions in the body, but elevated levels of this hormone can harm certain processes, including digestion and immune response. To avoid this, it is recommended that omega-3 supplements be taken during the night when cortisol levels are at their lowest. This would allow the body to absorb omega-3 without any disruptions. This, in turn, can aid in lowering your blood pressure in the morning and ultimately decrease your risk of heart attacks and stroke. As with any other supplement, pairing it with the healthy habits of eating nutritious, well-balanced diet, staying physically active, hydrated, and getting enough rest is very important. Omega-3 is an important nutrient that's found in plenty of natural food sources, but if you're looking for other ways that can help improve your health naturally, we recommend that you check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. This book features more than 800 plants that can replace every drug in your cabinet. It also has recipes of infusions, teas, essential oils, salves, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has high-definition, color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. To know more about the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, check out the link in the description below. And that's it for today's video. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried taking omega-3 supplements before. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we have more informative videos to share with you very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.